Hello YouTube. In order to get success in the market, we must have trading plan, we must have a trading system. So if you are trading without any of those, the chances are very low or very little that you would get success in the market. We use wave analysis for analyzing the market, and once we know the direction, we look for the setup to execute the trade. So that's our trading system, that's our trade setups which we follow every single day in the market. And the good news is that we can provide you one day full event from starting at 12 p.m. till 5 p.m. free session for those people who are interested learning about more the way we analyze the market, the way we can forecast the next possible move in the market. So for that thing to be happening, we need to have at least 100 registration for this class. This will be one day class, will be happening on Sunday, but it can only be done once we have 100 registration. So do yourself and us a favor, give this video a thumbs up, share it with the world, those who can take benefit from our kind of analysis for the people who are struggling to make penny in the market. So if you are returning viewers and you like the way we do the analysis, go sign up. You would definitely get advantage of it. If you are new and watching it first time, check out our older videos, get about the knowledge what we do here, and if you like it, go register for this class and I'll see you in the class then. So let's start with weekly update now. Thank you so much. Alright guys, welcome back to NSTA. This is Dev this side. और हर वीकली अपडेट की तरह इस वीकली अपडेट में भी हम निफ्टी के जो बिग मूव होते हैं, जिस डायरेक्शन में निफ्टी एक्चुअली मूव कर रहा है फॉर अ बिगर पर्सपेक्टिव, उस ट्रेंड को, उस मूव को डिस्कस करते हैं. सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग टाइम आई थिंक लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. सो अगर प्रीवियस वीक का अपडेट अगर आपने देखा है, सो प्रीवियसली आपको रिमेंबर होगा मैंने आपको एक इनवैलिड ट्रेंड लाइन दी हुई थी जो कि इस वीक वैलिड हो चुकी. यू हैव टैग्ड दिस, राइट? सो दिस इज द ट्रेंड लाइन विच यू आर फॉलोइंग. फॉर्चुनेटली अगर आप ट्रेंड लाइन एज अ रेजिस्टेंस यूज करते हैं, देन यू शुड नो विच ट्रेंड लाइन इज वैलिड एंड विच इज इनवैलिडेट. सो दिस इज अ वैलिड ट्रेंड लाइन एंड बेस्ड ऑन दैट कंडीशन आई डोंट थिंक ये सेल सेटअप लेना आपके लिए कोई प्रॉब्लमेटिक रहा होगा, राइट? सो आई होप यू वर एबल टू टेक एडवांटेज ऑफ दैट. बट यहाँ पे हम अगले वीक की बात करते हैं. सो फ्रॉम नाउ ऑनवर्ड्स व्हाट इज एक्सपेक्टेड फ्रॉम निफ्टी, सो दैट्स वी आर हियर टू डिस्कस. सो लेट्स सी. So एक जोन मैंने यहाँ पे बनाया हुआ है which is already been preached by one time and this is the second time it has been preached, and this time this has been moved to this level. Now pay attention, this is the last chance for the buyers. इस मार्केट को अगर एक और हाई बनाना है, so ये ब्रीच नहीं होना चाहिए. In fact, if this gets breach and have a consolidation after that, eventually we can expect more downside in this market then, right? So that is bad news for the buyers. So if that doesn't execute, the buyers are still intact for this market. So let's look at Nifty from the buying perspective. For the bulls, please pay attention. You are having two trends for the downside for the short term. This is the short term trend. This is even shorter term trend. So as long as you're not breaking out of this structure without breaching this, you're not supposed to execute any buy setup here. First you will come out of this structure, give us some consolidation for the trend continuation, and then we are looking for this trend only then, which means as long as you're looking at these trend lines and the market remains to the left side of that trend line, you're looking for short-term trends for the downside within this trend, medium-term trends for that downside. Now how will you take advantage of either of those moves? For sellers, we already discussed all the sell plans in our trading room well advanced. How are you going to execute the sells? First sell we attempted here, second sell we attempted somewhere there. But for the buyers, you have to let this market come out of this structure first, and only then we can look for the upside in Nifty. Until then, we would be trailing this sells, or else we'll keep looking for short-term or intraday sell setups until the further levels for the downside. So that's our perspective and that's our analysis using the wave theory which we follow in the market, which gives us good accuracy in terms of predicting the market, in terms of what's happening behind that structure. We can easily see that, we can easily read it. We're doing it every day in front of many traders in our trading room, guys. I hope this video helped you to figure out what Nifty is actually setting up for coming week. And if it did, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you with another update then. This is Dev this side signing off. Thank you so much. Bye bye.